Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the device has either stopped responding or has been disconnected, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So here's the main resolution and it has been approved by a lot of people. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab and click on devices. It shows all connected devices here. Okay. There are a few devices which may not be connected. You can remove them. I'll tell you the way to identify that. You'll notice this green symbol here if it is active. Okay. If a device is malfunctioning, then you can remove it. Then search for device manager, open device manager, and you may have the option to update the drivers associated with it. For example, it was connected using Bluetooth, so you can update the Bluetooth drivers. Or if that doesn't work, then uninstall these drivers and then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Okay, this should fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.